cousin rates my fidgets. Hey, say hi.
Hi.
Okay, so the first thing that you can't just rate that straight away. I need to tell you what you're rating. The first thing that you're rating is this dino stressful.
6.
Okay, 6 out of 10 for that. Next thing is, and you're not just going to be rating one puppet, you're rating all of the puppets, but the first puppet is this one. And by the way, it's out of 10. All of them are out of 10.
9.
9 out of 10? He likes it. Next, a jumbo massive puppet. Makes very good sounds and it's jumbo. And it was £10.
9.5.
You nearly a 10 then. Nextly, you're going to be rating this tangle.
Seven.
Okay, nextly is this Orbeez ball. Oh, there's Rosie.
8.
Oh, by the way, Rosie's a cat, not a human. There she is. Okay, I know that's absolutely nothing part of the video, but now I would like you to rate this puppet.
This is actually a really good puppet. That's a 9.
Whoa, you really like that. Oh, you haven't even rated this yet. Yes, I guess 1.
10.
Oh, yes. 10 out of 10? Okay, next is this. Wait, let me just quickly. All of my mini Nidos. Sure, you probably rate them a 10, but it's up to you.
10? Definitely.
Oh, he really likes them. Nextly is my sausage dog stress ball. It's a stretchy one. Okay, be careful with that.
9.
You rated that a 9. Nextly is this really, really satisfying puppet.
9.
Why only a 9? Okay. Next, mini spiky ball.
2.
Do you not really like it? No. How come? What about that one?
4.
So you mean you like that one better than the mini one? Okay, next is this hard. Well, not hard, but
0.
no. Why?
Too hard. Can't even squish it.
I can.
Well, you can if you put structure in it. It's really hard. Wait, next one?
You must. Basically a 1 then, because you can't rate something 0.
You can.
So that means you would absolutely hate it.
Yeah.
So do you absolutely hate it?
Yes.
Rude. You got that in a party bag.
Huh?
You got that in a party bag.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
What?
It doesn't matter.
What
We're
party
recording.
bags?
Next, rate that. Next, rate the puppet.
I didn't get any pie there.
Hmm?
No, I didn't.
It was long ago, Charlie. You've probably broken it by now.
This, I'm going to rate it today. The size is actually pretty good. 9.5.
That's really good then. Next is this. This puppet fidget spinner used to be better, but it kind of got a little bit harder, so yeah.
Oh, I like these things.
But rate it. By the way, guys, there's not going to be any parts for this. It's all in this video. Whoa.
I can't wait. I used to be able to do this. Well,
Oh.
I'm gonna rate this a 8.5.
8.5. Okay. Nextly is this Obby's ball.
9.5.
9.5 for the Obby's ball. Nextly is this Zippy. Zippy bracelet.
10.
10 out of 10. Really?
Mhm.
You just winked.
No, I love zippy rings.
You said that you hated them before.
No, I mean, I said I don't know why they're fidget, but they're cool.
Okay. This P-Popper's kind of really good, but what is rated?
Huh? The people back. Oh my god, it's quite hard. My 6.
Whoa, we rated P-Popper 6. Wow. Okay, next leave that puppet.
10 without saying.
Just pop back up once. Okay. Next leave this stress ball.
I think it's a bit like, I mean, because my one like done here, and that one's just like a bit weirder here, and at the bottom yours is really nice because it's so doughy, but at the bottom mine's like squishier. So I reckon a, still actually really do like a 7.5.
So you do really like it.
Yep.
Nextly is the Galaxy Infinity Cube.
10.
You need to actually try it.
Yeah. I know Infinity Cubes feel. It's so good. 10.
Oh, wow. This other Infinity Cube.
10.
He rates all Infinity Cubes 10. This bouncy ball.
I'm gonna go for a 6. 1 second, YouTube.
Oh, the cat wanted out. Sorry.
Okay, so
Oh, look at all them that you've already rated.
6 for bouncy ball.
Okay, 6 for bouncy ball. Next is fidget, like off-brand fidget cube.
I've got like 6 of these at home. Okay.
Are they part of your fidget collection then?
Yeah, I've got. Actually, no, I've got like 3 counting fidget balls. Fidget pads. 8.5.
Really?
Mhm.
Okay, next is this textured monkey noodle. And I named it something.
What?
Egbert.
Egg. Oh
I honestly don't even know why, but I
think
just
you tell
decided
me
to
it.
rate it that.
9.5.
9.5. Okay. Next is my beaded jellyfish.
8 3/4.
Nextly is this Nido stress ball.
All Nidos for me go to the 10.
Okay.
All Nidos to 10.
Okay, nextly is this Simple Dimple.
10.
Oh, 10 for Among Us. Okay, nextly is this shark stress ball thing.
7.5.
Is it just because of the eyes that I had? Is that why you didn't actually proper rate it?
Kind of, yeah.
Next is this mushroom, even though it's not really like a fidget.
Donald Duck. 9.
And his eyes just came off, literally. Okay, next we are, nope, magnetic rings.
9 3/4.
Really? Next is this Orbeez ball.
10.
Lastly is this fidget pad.
Ah, 8.5.
Bye guys, hope you enjoyed. Say bye.
Bye.